Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're going to be learning about a brand new data type called a dictionary. So dictionary is unordered, it's index, it's mutable or changeable, and it does not support duplicate members. So before I explain anything else, let me just jump into my IDE and let me create a dictionary. So I'm just gonna name my dictionary person, then I'm gonna type equals, then I'm gonna bring in curly brace, then I'm gonna get inside my curly brace, hit enter, then I'm gonna bring in single quote and I'm gonna type name, then I'm gonna add colon, then I'm gonna bring in single quote again and I'm gonna type George Hussein, then I'm gonna add a comma. So this is the structure of a dictionary. Okay, so the first data that you see over here inside single quote called name, it is called key, and the second part George Hussein is called value. So if you are coming to Python from, let's say, PHP, then dictionary it's more like an associative array. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna add single quote again and I'm gonna type, let's say, email, then I'm gonna bring in colon, then I'm gonna add single quote again and I'm gonna type, let's say, hussein@gmail.com, then I'm gonna add a comma, then I'm gonna hit enter, then I'm gonna add single quote again and I'm gonna type, let's say, ID, then I'm gonna add colon, then I'm gonna type 347. So that's pretty much it about creating dictionary. So this is the structure of a dictionary. So now I'm going to explain the difference that dictionary has with the remaining data types of Python. So dictionary is unique in its own way. How is it? Well, as you can see that dictionary has key value pair, so the keys actually also be referred to as the index number. So for other data types we cannot have a customized index name, so it's only numeric based numbers, but with dictionary we can customize our index number, which is also known as keys. For an example, this name is actually an index, and in this scenario we're calling it a key. Okay, so now if I call my print function and pass person, right click, run it, then you'll see that I've got my dictionary printed out beautifully on my code runner. And if you want to access a single element of your dictionary, then it is also a possibility. So for that you have to bring in your square bracket, get inside, add single quote and type the key. For an example, if I want to print my name only, then all I have to do is to pass the key called name, right click, run it, and as you can see that my name has been printed out on my code runner. So individual items can also be called in, and item assignment is also a possibility. So let me show you. So I'm just gonna remove it for now and I'm gonna type person, then I'm gonna bring in a square bracket, get inside, add single quote, and I'm gonna type let's say phone, then I'm gonna add equal sign, then I'm gonna type 718, then 111, then 1111, and now I'm gonna call my print function and pass person, right click, run it. Then you'll see that if I resize my window, then you'll see that I've got my phone number added to my existing dictionary. And if I just want to print my phone number, then you know that we have to add our square bracket, get inside, add single quote, and I'm gonna have to type phone. Should I right click and run it, then you'll see that now my phone number has been printed out. So that's pretty much about dictionary. So let's recap. Dictionary is different than the remaining data types of Python due to the fact that dictionary has key value pair, and key is more like the index number that we have learned about on our previous data types. but in dictionary, index number or the key values are customizable. Okay, we don't have to limit ourselves with numeric values like starting from 0, then 1 and 2 and so on. So we can name our key whatever we want, whatever that makes sense, so that we can easily call them in our program. So that's pretty much it about dictionary data type for Python. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.